Alright guys, here we go with another hopefully fun unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Ooh, this looks nice. Been waiting for this for a while and I sincerely hope that it works. It is a heat sink with a fan attached to it, and it's designed, if I got the right one, and that's a big if, to fit right on top of an awesome motor such as this one, which tends to overheat incredibly. Now, without this, I was pretty sure that we were not going to have a proper car running, and looks like it fits on top beautifully and hopefully be able to be powered as it should be by one of these things over here, like you can sort of stick them in there. So I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully it all worked out.
Likey